Hello there friend and welcome. Today we will be doing chain stitch and foundation chain together. With the slip knot that we made in the last video, we will continue. You yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember now that the loop on the hook is never counted into the amount of chains that you have to do. So we have done 11 now. We will count together. This chain stitch has a little V look from the front side. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We will cut the yarn and pull through. So this is the front side of the chain and this is the back side. The chains can be found as a foundation chain like this one here in the beginning of patterns. When it comes to amigurumi, you can work one side and then you can work on the other side, so you will get an oval shape. When you are crocheting blankets, example, you will start with a larger foundation chain and work your way up through the pattern. You can find one or more chains in other places of the pattern. Turning chain, which is common, and it is depending on what stitch you're working. When it comes to the stitches, there are usual numbers for the basic stitches, but the variations exists. Stay tuned for the next video.